So why incorporate more dates into your lifestyle? Number one, they are a simple carbohydrate, meaning they digest quickly, provide you with a great source of energy. Number two, they contain lots of fiber, feeding that friendly gut bacteria, relieving constipation. Food is mood. Relieve the bowels, free the mind. Number three, affordable. The average person will need around 2,000 to 3,000 calories daily on a fruit-based lifestyle. If you try to meet these with low-calorie fruits and vegetables, it may be very difficult if you're just living on apples and celery. But if you're living on dates, it's easier to meet your caloric needs because they provide a rich source of calories. They're more affordable. So number four, they're accessible. They can be found in almost any Indian ethnic store. Easy to find all year round. Requires zero ripening. And are good to go. They're versatile. You can take them, anywhere you go. Eat them as they are. Put them in a smoothie, dessert, fruit bowl, salad. DJ Khaled, another one. And they're low in fat. Because dates contain vitamins, minerals, and are low in fat and sweet. They are the perfect replacement for chocolates, cakes, sweet treats that otherwise would contain lots of chemicals and oils and dairy products. So you can see a lot of lean, fruit bats, high carb, low fat vegans consuming lots of dates alongside bananas and mangoes. And lastly, with great power comes great responsibility. So make sure to maintain good dental hygiene of brushing, flossing, and rinsing, no matter the diet, but especially if you're eating dried, sticky fruits, because although they are healthy, neglect in that area can lead to problems. Peace, love, veganism. I'm out.